Looking for the best trinocular microscope in 2026? In this video, we review the top 5 best trinocular microscope available in the market and help you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. The Kalewei Trinocular Head 7-50x divided by 3.5-200x Simulfocal Stereo Microscope is excellent for precision work. Equipped with WF10x/22mm eyepieces and a trinocular head, it offers sharp, clear imaging and seamless continuous zoom. Ideal for phone repair, PCB soldering, or detailed inspection, it provides ergonomic viewing and stable operation. The adjustable magnification and high-quality optics make it perfect for both professional technicians and electronics hobbyists seeking accuracy and reliability. Number 4. The RF4 Trinocular Microscope RF6555 Pro Max is a game-changer for mobile phone PCB welding and detailed electronics work. Its advanced optics provide crystal-clear, high-magnification imaging, allowing precise inspection and soldering. The upgraded dust control system significantly extends the microscope's service life, keeping lenses and components clean for consistent performance. The trinocular head allows seamless connection to cameras for documentation or teaching, while ergonomic design ensures comfortable long sessions. With stable construction and reliable zoom, it's ideal for professionals and hobbyists alike. A durable, high-performance tool that enhances accuracy, efficiency, and longevity in delicate PCB repair and assembly tasks. Number 3. The RF7050 TVD27-50x Synchronous Magnification Trinocular Zoom Stereo Microscope is perfect for mobile phone PCB repair and lab welding. Its smooth, precise zoom ensures clear, detailed observation at every magnification level. The trinocular head supports camera connection for documentation or teaching. Built for durability and stability, it provides ergonomic viewing and accurate focusing, making long sessions comfortable. Ideal for professionals and hobbyists, this microscope combines high-quality optics, versatile magnification, and reliable performance for precise electronics inspection and soldering tasks. Number 2. The TX350s Plus Trinocular Stereo Microscope Set is a versatile, high-performance tool for PCB repair and precision work. Featuring 3.5x100x continuous zoom and simulfocal optics, it delivers sharp, detailed imaging across all magnifications. The included 4K video camera allows seamless recording and live observation, ideal for documentation, tutorials, or inspections. Its trinocular head supports ergonomic viewing while maintaining stability during long sessions. With smooth focusing, high-quality optics, and durable construction, this microscope set is perfect for electronics repair, soldering, and lab work. Reliable, precise, and user-friendly, the TX350s Plus enhances efficiency and accuracy for both professionals and hobbyists. Number 1. The Relife RLM5T Pro B11 Trinocular HD Microscope delivers crisp, clear imaging with its 7-50x zoom, perfect for phone repair, PCB inspection, and precision instrument work. Its HD optics and ergonomic design make detailed observation comfortable and accurate. The trinocular head allows easy camera attachment for documentation or live display. Built for reliability and stable performance, this microscope excels in soldering and delicate tasks. A solid choice for technicians and hobbyists needing high-quality, versatile magnification in electronic and instrument repair.